Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Belza Janvi. Hi, my name is Janvi and I post skin, hair care, makeup and fashion related videos. So today video is all about a jewelry haul. Once the Shein has been banned, I was so much tensed कि now what to do, now where I'll buy my clothes, my jewelries and all. And that for the clothes I've already made a haul, and that I will put in my I button here. You can check it out. Now coming back to the topic of today, that is a jewelry haul. It's a mini jewelry haul and I have bought this jewelry from the site everstylish.com. They have almost similar jewelries like Shein, and I literally like their price. Their price are also very good, very reasonable like Shein, and that too of good quality. That doesn't mean at all that if the price is cheap they have compromised with the quality. No, it's a very nice. And that too, let me clear you first that it is a non-sponsored video. I'm not getting anything from the everstylish.com. It's just I have bought a mini haul, all of them, whatever jewelry today I'm going to show you in this video, that all have been bought by my own money. So now before moving towards the video, I'll request you all to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the first jewelry which I will talk about will be this necklace which I am wearing, and this is a gold chain necklace with the crescent moon pendant. I love this. This is very sturdy, not that fragile कि ये टूट जाएगा. ये बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत strong है, and the cost of this necklace was 108. I think that is very reasonable cost, because if you will go to Tony Q and all, they will just give this necklace in 300 or 400 bucks. Comparing to them, it is a very cheap cost and very good quality. So yeah, and the golden color in it is not that bright and not that dull कि वो बहुत खराब लगे. तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. Very nice, very cute necklace. It will go with Indian wear and Western wear, whatever you want to wear with this necklace. It will just good to go. And if you are wearing a deep top or something like that, then also you can wear this necklace कि वो थोड़ा सा आपके इस पोर्शन को और भी ज़्यादा enhance करेगा, complement करेगा. So moving towards my second necklace, what a lot. इसकी बस एक प्रॉब्लम है कि see this knot problem I have a lot in this. मैंने अभी just इसको unknot किया था and then again. Now this necklace is super cool. In this necklace you will not need a help of anyone. You just have to put this inside a needle, this inside a circle. It is like you are having a ring, and inside that ring you are just passing out a needle. I love this necklace. You can see the video that how I have wear this. I love this necklace. Very strong chain, not at all fragile. Again, the golden color is not that bright and not that dull कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा बेकार लगे. तो yeah, I love this. A big thumbs up for this necklace. The price range of this necklace was just would be 75. Just think guys, it's a steal deal you can do with this. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा cheap तो कहीं नहीं मिलता. मतलब this is very nice. Now coming towards the most trending jewelry nowadays, from Moni Roy to Hina Khan, they all have been wearing this in their video. The name of this jewelry is the Playful Delight Elegant Circular Dangler. Now let's not confuse you. It's a simple Chand Bali. It comes in this type of packaging. Sorry, I haven't shown you that how the packaging of everstylish.com is. The packaging is like this in a cardboard box, and they give this thermocol type of thing कि आपकी चीजें safe रहें. And yes, now coming back to the Chand Balis. Oh my god, this is, I have 2 Chand Balis. So by mistake, I don't know how I have ordered this too, but it's okay. One of this I will give it to my friend. She will also like. And this Chand Balis, oh my god, this is so beautiful guys. मतलब you can see this. Earlier when I was buying it, that time I was little bit skeptical क्योंकि मैं इतनी बड़ी earrings नहीं पहनती. I was little bit skeptical कि पता नहीं मेरे पे कैसी लगेंगी, but after wearing this I love this. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेंगी, स्पेशली विद द एथनिक वियर. आपने कुछ ब्लू पहना है, कुछ वाइट पहना है या कुछ ब्लैक पहना है, तो दिस इज़ अ हीरो ऑफ योर मूवी दैट टाइम. मतलब ये आपके लुक को एकदम से पूरा एनहेंस कर देगी. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस, क्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. इट्स अ सिल्वर कलर. अभी तक तो ये एकदम भी तार्निश नहीं हुई है, तो आई होप कि ये ऐसी ही रहे. ज्वेलरी को थोड़ा सा केयर भी करना पड़ता है. अगर आप केयर करोगे तो ज्वेलरी जल्दी खराब नहीं होती हैं. Price range of this was rupees 128, just 128, and this pair of earrings are good to go for you. Now moving towards the very subtle type of earring, with the earring which you can wear in a daily basis. The slanting hoops, this you can wear for a daily basis. This is a very nice golden color slanting hoops. This will go with any of your western wear, whether you are wearing tops, crop tops, dresses, whatever you are wearing, this hoops will go with everything. One more hoop I have is of heart shape, and that too I have bought from Shein, and that is also of very good quality. I am same expecting with this. Right now so I have not wore it for many times. I have only wore it for 2 to 3 times, so still till now I am happy. For now, a big thumbs up for this earring. Let's the hero enter now और सबको खत्म कर दे is this earring. Oh my god, this earring is so beautiful. मतलब so good. I can't resist myself to wear it. I was so much excited कि मैं कब वीडियो बनाऊंगी, मैं कब तैयार होंगी और मैं कब ये वाला earring पहनूंगी. I was so much in love with this earring. This earring name is the pink and orange delight dreamy danglers, and the cost of this earring is rupees 198, which is very very cheap for this type of quality. And the work they have done, the stone work and the moti work, this is an oxidized earring. The stone work and the moti work which they have done, it's literally very 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 nice and very complimenting on the face. This earring will go with any skin tone type of people. It is not like that only fair people can wear it. No, it will go with any skin type of people. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to give a big thumbs up to it, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram page. That is also the same name is over there, Belza Janvi, and the link will be in my description box below. And my Facebook page also is the same name with the Belza Janvi, and that too link will be in my description box below. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned.